gonna show you how to use an iPad and an app in 5 minutes to teach your child all the sounds they need to know for reading. My name is Moran and I help parents teach their children to read at home, easy, fast, and effective. I'm a speech and language therapist and reading teacher, and I work with hundreds of children a week on language, bilingual language, and reading skills. The first thing I'm gonna do is mute the sound of the app so that there's no distractions. Now that the app is muted, let's get started. I'm gonna teach you all these sounds. I'm sorry if I'm looking down or flipping on my screen, but you wanna make sure that your child is sitting in front of you and looking directly at your mouth. A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, A, V, W, X, Y, Z. If you have an iPad, at 5 minutes, you can teach your child how to read at home. Good luck.